This is the 2025 FOREX Trading Empire Mentorship Program, and this is the lecture 1 of the program. The topic for this lecture is algorithmic price delivery. For you to understand algorithmic price delivery, you need to know what is algorithmic price delivery, who is smart money, how to internalize smart money technique. Now, what is algorithmic price delivery? Algorithmic price delivery is for you to understand that the market is now an electronical price delivery, where market is being delivered by algorithms, which is seek to deliver a sufficient price delivery. So whenever there's an insufficient price in the price delivery, the algorithm will always seek to create a sufficient price delivery using the premium and the discount to deliver price. And this is the major advantage the smart money have been taking advantage of, understanding that the price will always seek for liquidity and seek to balance an insufficient price delivery. So you just need to understand that price will always seek out liquidity and it will always seek to deliver a sufficient price delivery. Who is a smart money? A smart money refers to the capital managed by experienced individuals or institutions. For you to trade like a smart money, you need to understand who is a smart money. A smart money are individuals that understand the market using a high vast of resources and have a high track record of success or profitability in the market. And they understand the market through a different perspective where they seek to buy at a discount and sell at a premium using pure price delivery. And how we can internalize the smart money technique. For us to internalize the smart money technique, we need to understand price through a different perspective, where we need to know that we don't trade pattern for pattern's sake. When you look at the price through pattern perspective, through breakouts or rate tears, shift in market structure, all those are just patterns. When you are trading like a smart money or trying to trade like a smart money, you need to understand that you need a narrative to whatever trades you're taking. You need a narrative to verify those patterns you're actually taking. So that's why we do not trade pattern for pattern's sake. And we do not trade indicator reading or momentum like the RSI, EMA, whatever indicator is out there. We do not trade using an indicator because the indicator is only interpreting past price. And we are trying to anticipate further price. We are trying to anticipate the right side of the chart, not the left side of the chart. So reading indicator, most indicators do use the left side of the chart to anticipate the right side. So we look at pure price action without looking at any indicator or any momentum readings. And we look to buy at a discount and sell at a premium. So smart money look to buy at a discount and sell at a premium. And if we want to internalize the smart money technique, we need to know how to trade in a scenario where we are buying at a discount and selling at a premium. And we expect price to seek liquidity at all time. Price will always go to seek out liquidity because the algorithmic price delivery seek out liquidity to create a sufficient price delivery. So we look for price to seek out liquidity and we expect price to go where there's going to be liquidity. And those liquidity might come in a way of retail stops, trader stop, equal highs, previous day low, whatever area the price can identify as an area where there's going to be stops and there's going to be lots of order, limit order or stop losses placed at those areas. We will expect price to trade to seek out those liquidity. And time in price is the key element when it comes to price delivery. And for us to internalize the smart money technique, we need to understand the time in price because time in price is the key element. Whatever strategy or whatever concept is being taught in this 2025 mentorship program is going to be based off time and price on a specific time for you to understand that price moves on time. And if price is moving on time, you need to know that you need to learn how to internalize those times to your trading strategy. If you can stay true to these 5 steps and put this in mind when going through this 2025 mentorship program, to learn how to internalize the smart money technique, putting these 5 rules in hand, understanding these 5 rules in hand, and using it as a baseline to your trading strategy will really help in developing your trading strategy. So that is all for this lecture. See you guys in the next lecture.